guys, it's me and Caleb, and now we have 3 YouTubers, and I think it'll go up to about 6 YouTubers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, right now we have 3. Caleb, Landon, and I'm Blaze. You guys should see him in another episode.
The mighty wizard of Wazowington.
God,
Wazow! Wazow!
whoa! Oh.
Wazafawoo! Sakoshomane.
Now the first episode is the other one. You'll see first episode. This is the second episode. So yeah, third episode will be soon. It might be today. Who knows?
We YouTubers and we know it. We YouTubers and we know it. Yeah. If you want to check out my channel, there will be a link in the
description below.
Thank you.
Okay, let's continue the video.
Now.
Not again! God.
What?
This video will only be so long.
Just kidding, guys. I don't really have a YouTube channel. I wish I did.
Stupid. Okay, whatever. Let's continue. I might not even know when the video ends, so it might just be a little surprise for y'all. Sorry, I don't know how long, since I don't have a memory card, I don't know how long this will be until it ends. So guys, yeah. It'll go off soon.
Go down there.
Down
Woo!
there. Oh, down to the sewers! Yeah! Ow.
Okay, we're gonna take a nature walk.
Okay.
Make sure you don't get any ticks.
Oh, yeah. I got 4 ticks last morning. They love me. Which was last episode, guys. I had 4 ticks. It was off camera! No one knows where it went. You okay?
Yeah.
Ish. Sorry guys that Blaze is not in this channel. I know you guys like Blaze, but I know you guys like Blaze is not in this channel, but y'all gonna like Caleb really good too. But you know we're putting you on YouTube, Pawpaw. I have a YouTube channel, I'm not kidding. Yeah! 2 YouTubers, and I'm about to change it to
YouTube channel called?
3 YouTubers.
That's the name of it? 3 YouTubers?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna look it up. Yo, Papa's got a channel too, buddy.
He does?
Yeah.
What's it called? Huh. Huh. I doubt it. You guys heard that. You can search that up. If you need to, rewind back and see. Rewind back and see if you can hear what he said. And then it should be there. So rewind if you want.
The next video that's going to be released on this channel, which is going to be released a few minutes after this, is a Slender Man.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Hope you guys rewind already. We're going to go ahead and get to this. Here we go.
Okay, so, I'll see you guys later. you guys.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, pause. See you guys later. Bye.
Bye.